distinguished colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. Let me begin by expressing my heartfelt gratitude to the Senate of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan and in particular to His Excellency Mr. Yusuf Riza Gilani for the warm hospitality and excellent organization of this very important forum and very timely initiative in convening this conference dedicated to strengthening the role of parliaments in promoting peace, stability, and sustainable development. In an era fraught with complex challenges, the theme of our conference is not only relevant, it is urgent. Today, the world is undergoing profound transformation, geopolitical tension, military conflicts, growing inequality, as well as humanitarian and ecological crises are reshaping a new and uncertain global landscape. No single nation can navigate these trials alone. It is only through broad dialogue, cooperation, and mutual respect that we can lay the groundwork for lasting peace.